Dear students, in previous video we have learned the derivation of section formula and midpoint formula. Also, we started with exercise 7.2 and we have learned how to solve the first question. Okay? Now, I am here with question number 3rd. I am starting with question number 3. It needs figure that I have taken first to it. So let's see what is question number 3. Keep your big book with you as you will understand the question very properly. Okay? So best of luck and see you. To conduct sport activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. This is your school ground. Suppose it is rectangular and it is named as ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powders. यहाँ पे lines draw किए गए हैं. I haven't drawn the lines, but the lines are drawn like this. Okay? These are the lines which are drawn whenever there is a sports meet in our school. We also used to draw. Now, what is told to us here? Add chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. At a distance of they are 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. This is AD and these are the flower pots. 100 flower pots. How many flower pots are there? 100 flower pots are kept at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Then Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. Here I have given Niharika's end. Suppose Niharika is here. Okay. She runs 1/4 of the AD. Distance AD is how much? Distance AD is given to us. It is how much? 100. As 100 flower pots are there and they are apart from each other, how much? 1 meter apart from each other. Therefore, distance AD will be 100 meter. Okay? And Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line. This is very important. On the second line. And post a green flag. निहारिका गई सेकंड लाइन से. ओके एंड शी पोस्ट अ ग्रीन फ्लैग हियर. ओके देन Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. She runs on a 8th line बोला गया है. So here ठीक है and post here Preet is there, so I have written here P and as she is posting which flag? Red, so I will write here red flag. Okay, then on the 8th line and post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? We will find out the distance between the both the flags. You know, it is very easy. We can find out the distance between the 2 points. But for finding out the distance between the 2 points, we need distance formula. Okay? And for distance, we need the coordinates of these two flags. Okay? And how we will get coordinates? इतना तो पता है horizontal line is 2 means she is running at the second line means x coordinate will be 2. She is running at the 8th line, so its x coordinate will be 8. Now we need y coordinate and y coordinate we will get from this AD and we have given Niharika runs. Niharika runs how much? 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD is equals to 1/4 multiplied by 100. That is equals to how much? 25. Okay, means Niharika is at the 25th flower pot and as she is at the 25th flower pot, its y coordinate must be 25. Right? here, and as who is given to us Preet. Therefore, coordinates, or we will write it later on. First, we will find out of Preet. Now, Preet runs. How much it is given? 1/5 of distance AD, and 1/5 of distance AD is 100, is equals to 20 meter. Or we got the coordinate y coordinate, that is 20. Means Preet is at the 20th flower pot, और वहां पे जाके उसने क्या कर दिया? रेड फ्लैग पोस्ट किया है. Now therefore coordinates of point where Niharika posed the green flag. Point green flag के लिए क्या लिया है? N. Points N is 2,25, and where he has closed, Preet has closed, that will be 8,20. Okay, so we can take this as x1, this as y1, okay, and here as x2, y2. Now we need to find out the distance between them. Okay, so now distance NP is given by root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Right? Now what you will get? Write the values. x2, what is x2? 8 minus, yes, x1, that is 2, 8 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 is 20 minus 25 bracket square. Okay, now it will be 8 minus 2 is 6 square. It will be 6 square plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square. So minus 5 square. Okay. Now what you will get is here. Now distance, what we are finding? NP. Distance NP is equals to root of 6 square 36 plus 5 square 25, add them, they becomes 61. Okay, and 61 is irrational number. Root of 61 can't be found, so it will be as it is. So 61 unit. So distance NP means what? Distance between the two flags, that is the green flag and the red flag. Means Niharika and Preet is how much? Root of 61 unit. Okay, have you got it? We can write also here. Therefore, distance between red and which one? Green flag is how much? Root of 61 unit. Now again one question has been asked to us, and that is, what is the distance between both the flag? We have find the distance between both flag. Next question is, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where she posts her flag. Now Rashmi is there, and Rashmi want to post the blue flag exactly at the middle. यहाँ पे उसको पोस्ट करना है exactly at the midpoint of N and P. So you know the formula for midpoint. So as we will use here midpoint formula, we will get the coordinates of point P. Okay, R means रश्मि. So coordinates मिल जाएंगे, मतलब कहाँ पे पोस्ट करना है वो अपने को पता चल जाएगा. Okay, so we will try. Now रश्मि has to post blue flag in the middle of red and green. Let that point be R whose coordinates are x comma y. Whose coordinates are x comma y. So let's find, therefore by midpoint formula, by midpoint formula, what we will get? R of x comma y is equals to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma, for y coordinate is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, let's put the value x1 plus x2, 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2, 25 plus 20, 25 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay, now here 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2 is, ये क्या आ गया, r x comma y. It is 2 plus 10, sorry 2 plus 8, that is 10 divided by 2, and 20 plus 25 is 45 divided by 2. Okay, so here it will be r x comma y is equals to 5 comma, let it be as it is 45 by 2. Okay, so this is the place where she will post the blue flag. Okay, means the question was Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the flags, two flags, where should she post her flag? Therefore she should post blue flag at point where 5 45 by 2. ठीक है, so this is how we have completed question number 3. काफी आसान है. If you think once or twice properly, question अच्छी तरह से read करो, you will get it each and everything. Okay, if you have query you can ask. Now we see the second question that has remained. Okay, I have jumped directly towards question number 3. Now we will start with question number 2. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is find the coordinates of the point of trisection of a line joining 4 comma minus 1, 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. It is trisected, means 1, 2 and this one is 3, means 3 parts are there. Okay, like this. So suppose AB is the line which is trisected by point P and Q. Trisected मतलब ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट तीनों भी कैसे रहेंगे? इक्वल. As in bisected, two parts are equal. In trisected, three parts will be equal to each other. Now we have to find out the coordinates of the points which are trisecting. Let a line segment AB is trisected by points P and Q. Okay, now let's see here. अब ट्राइसेक्शन मतलब मैंने आपको बोला ये तीनों भी पार्ट्स कैसे रहेंगे? इक्वल. मतलब वो रेशियो कैसा रहेगा? इक्वल. मतलब वो डिस्टेंस कैसा रहेगा? सेम. मतलब ये अगर 4 है तो ये भी 4 और ये भी 4 रहेगा. ये 5 है तो ये भी 5 रहेगा और ये भी 5 रहेगा. और अगर अपन ने इसका रेशियो निकाला तो रेशियो क्या आएगा? 1:1. ओके, क्योंकि अपने को रेशियो की जरूरत है. if you want to find out the coordinates, then we need the ratio, okay, in which the point is dividing the line segment. Now see here, point P divides the line segment in the ratio AP कितना है? 1 और PB कितना है? 2. means in the ratio 1:2. if you say point Q divides the line segment in the ratio 1 + 1 2 into 1 is to 1, means point P divides in the ratio 1:2 and point Q divides 2:1. जो आपको लेना है वो ले सकते हो. ठीक है, it depends upon you which जो भी आपको इजी जाता है, whichever is easy that you can take and you can solve it. Okay, now see, I am taking suppose point P. Let point P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so now our distance formula. तो क्या आएगा? P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल लेंगे. तो P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स सपोज x, y है. So we have our formula. What is that? mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Be careful while putting the values of x1, x2, y1, y2 and m and n. Now see here. Check m1 into x2 बरोबर से x2 minus 2, 1 into minus 2 plus n 2 into x1 is 4 upon m plus n means 1 plus 2, comma again m 1 multiplied by 2 minus 3 plus n 2 into y1 minus 1 upon m plus n means 1 plus 2. Right? Now let's solve. Minus 2 plus 8 upon 3, comma minus 3 minus 2 upon 3. Now minus plus minus, it is 6/3, comma minus minus plus, the sign of minus will remain. Okay, now find out the last one, that is 6 divided by 3 is 2, comma minus 5/3. Now these are the coordinates of point P. P x comma y is equals to what? 2 comma minus 5 3. ठीक है, अब P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल गए आपके पास। अब आपको Q के निकालना है, तो Q के निकालने के लिए मैंने आपको बोला you can take 2:1 or again one easy method is there that see here now Q is midpoint. Q is midpoint of PB, and you know the coordinates of P and P both. तो आप midpoint formula से आपको और इजी जाएगा. So go for midpoint formula. क्या आएगा फिर? Therefore Q x comma y is equals to क्या आएगा फिर अब? x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In this way we can find out the midpoint, the coordinates of midpoints, right? Now x1 is this, तो क्या है यहाँ पे 2 means 2 plus x2 minus 2 upon 2. Just you have to put the values very carefully. Okay. y1, what is y1? Here it is y1 minus 5 by 3 plus y2 minus 3 upon 2. थोड़ा अच्छी तरीके से सिंप्लीफाई करके लेता हूं that it will be easier to you. That is 0 upon 2 comma minus 5 by 3 plus minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now bring the denominator same. ये क्या आएगा 0 by 2 is equals to 0. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus will be plus. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So minus 14 by 2. Okay. Now what will come? 1 minute. It is like this. देखो और अच्छी तरीके से सिंप्लीफाई करके बता रहा हूं. यहाँ पे क्या था 3 अपॉन 1 था तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 किया, डिनोमिनेटर सेम लाने के लिए, और नीचे 2 है एक्चुअली, ठीक है ना, ऑलरेडी है, सॉरी. तो 0 minus 5 ये क्या हो गया -9 अपॉन 3 अपॉन क्या आएगा 2. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन सी q x y is equals to क्या आएगा 0 क्या आ रहा है -14 by 2 अपॉन -14 by 3 अपॉन क्या है 2. लेकिन अपॉन 2 को अपन क्या लिख सकते हैं फिर 0 -14 by 3. अब ये डिवीजन में है, राइट. तो डिवीजन का क्या हो जाएगा, आप इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हो डिवाइडेड बाय 2, लेकिन डिवीजन कन्वर्ट्स इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका रेसिप्रोकल, दैट इज 1/2. ये क्या आ रहा है आप 0 2 1s are 2 7 that is -7/3. so this is the coordinate for point q. okay, understood. so we have find out the trisections point. okay, so in this way, in this video we have learned